Restaurants are really simple on paper. They're just hard to run because they involve people.
Jay-Z, direct the camera, take one.
QSR, I think, is a wonderful place to be, in my opinion. It's a modern day version of an auto plant or a steel factory. We have a lot of people coming in as their first jobs, but what we can offer them is a career. Happiness and satisfaction in any job isn't driven by monetary rewards, isn't driven by a title. It's driven by three things and in a specific order: mastery, autonomy, and purpose. It's called learning and development for a reason. So oftentimes we find when people deliver training, they're focusing on the learning part. That's often where everybody stops. What's hard is the next piece. The next piece is the development that you're talking about. We close your eyes in a restaurant. If you hear the team talking, the team laughing, calling out orders, you hear new customers coming in, that's got a great culture. You walk into a restaurant and close your eyes and you hear nothing but silence, that restaurant's in trouble. Speed of service is paramount. The problem is that speed is only one component of a guest experience. You can be too fast. Nobody wakes up and walks in their job and says, I'm gonna screw everything up and sabotage this. But under stress, you can make mistakes. So I hear this all the time.
Yes.
I will encounter restaurant general managers that say, I'm so busy, I don't have time to train and develop people. People who say I don't have time for training are in that position because they are not training. You didn't develop the people, you didn't train the people. That's on you.